Hey tech lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gearing up for an electrifying event that's set to shape the future of tablet technology, Apple's upcoming reveal on May 7th. Yes, that's right, we're talking about the launch of the new iPads. Rumors are swirling and expectations are sky high. Before we dive deep into our discussion, if you're excited about tech updates and reviews, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's talk tech. Apple's teaser for this event showcased an Apple Pencil, sparking speculations about the arrival of the third-generation Apple Pencil. Not just any pencil, folks. This one hints at new features and perhaps even customizable tips, expanding its versatility and user engagement. As we anticipate the launch of the third-generation Apple Pencil, Apple seems poised to set new standards in digital artistry and productivity tools. The potential introduction of customizable tips could revolutionize user interaction, offering a variety of textures and resistance levels that mimic real-world drawing tools. This would not only enhance the drawing experience, but also expand the use of the iPad into professional realms such as graphic design and digital illustration. Imagine being able to switch from a fine liner to a brush tip with a simple swap, pushing the boundaries of creative flexibility and precision. Really great news for an iPad user and Apple Pencil user like me. But wait, there's more. The colors used in the event's promotional material might just be giving us a sneak peek into the new iPad color schemes, especially focusing on the iPad Air. This has been a hot topic online, and many believe that these new colors could be a game changer for the visual appeal of these devices. So what can we expect from this event? We're anticipating the launch of larger models, possibly a 12.9-inch or even a 13-inch iPad Air. This move could attract users who crave larger screens without needing the intense power of the more professional models. Imagine having a larger canvas for your creativity and productivity without the hefty price tag. That's what we might be seeing soon. And I've got to say, as someone who's used iPads extensively and loves the ecosystem, the prospect of a larger, more affordable iPad Air excites me. It reminds me of the 15-inch MacBook Air launch, which was a hit for offering more screen real estate at a compelling price point. A similar strategy with the iPad Air could significantly boost Apple's sales by appealing to those who desire a big screen for everyday use. If you're as excited as I am about this, let us know in the comments below. Now let's talk specs. We're expecting significant upgrades in the hardware department. The new iPads might come equipped with advanced AI capabilities thanks to the integration with the upcoming iOS 18, which is rumored to focus heavily on enhancing AI features. This could mean better multitasking, improved app functionalities, and a more intuitive user interface, all tailored to make the most of the iPad's large display. With the integration of more advanced AI and machine learning technologies, the new iPad could significantly enhance how users interact with their devices. From smarter predictive typing and more intuitive Siri responses to real-time photo editing suggestions powered by AI, the possibilities are endless. This could also include advanced accessibility features using AI to adapt the user interface to the needs of individuals with disabilities, thus making the iPad a more inclusive device. Rumor has it that Apple might skip straight to introducing an M4 chip, bypassing the M3 entirely. This would be a monumental upgrade, promising even greater performance and efficiency. This leap in processing power could make the new iPad not just a leader in the tablet market, but a benchmark for the industry. It should be noted that the products Apple introduced at this event will not only be limited to hardware, but will also offer new features to its users with software updates. The new M3 or perhaps M4 processors expected especially for iPad Pro models will further improve the performance of the devices. The power management improvements and longer battery life that come with these processors will make iPads more attractive. Apple is also expected to make big strides in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Advanced AI features on the new iPads, integrated with later versions of iOS and iPadOS, will further personalize the use of the devices and significantly improve the user experience. For example, smart assistants that can translate in real time or make suggestions based on the user's habits could make iPads much more functional. And let's not forget about the display. Expectations are high for the new iPads to feature OLED screens, possibly with a dual-layer design to enhance durability and color fidelity. This could bring the visual experience of the iPad closer to that of high-end OLED TVs, with brilliant colors and deeper blacks. The rumors of a dual-layer OLED screen on the new iPads suggest a leap towards unparalleled visual quality in the tablet market. This technology could dramatically improve the durability and brightness of the display, making the iPad more versatile in various lighting conditions. Furthermore, the increased emphasis on color accuracy and range could attract professionals who rely on true-to-life color representation for their work, such as photographers and video editors. Regarding the pricing, while Apple hasn't confirmed anything, the buzz is that the new iPad Air might start around $799, with the Pro models potentially starting at $999. This would be a slight increase from current prices, but given the expected enhancements, it could very well be worth it. What do you think about these potential price points? Too high or just right for what's being offered? Jump down to the comments section and let us know. In conclusion, the May 7th event by Apple is set to be a groundbreaking day for all tech enthusiasts and iPad lovers. With potential game changers on the horizon, we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. If you found this preview helpful and are looking forward to more insights like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts and expectations with us. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, whether it's a chilly day or a sunny afternoon, it's always a good day to talk tech. See you in the next video, and until then, keep loving technology. If you are into technology like me, this video is for you. Don't forget to like the video if you like it and subscribe for more of this kind of content.